Sunny and Lori and Donna. It's time, and the doggies, don't forget. It's time for a drum roll inside tour. Woo! Okay, we're gonna. We brought the dogs to work today. We're gonna start in the back and work our way forward to the good stuff, the juicy stuff. The living room and the kitchen turned out beautiful, but we're gonna start in the bedrooms. Here we go. Okay, here is the master bedroom. We got new flooring, new trim, new windows. We kept the window trim. We have new crown, new ceilings, new ceiling fan, another new window. It's so bright and sunshiny in this room. 6-foot closet. We got to install the shelving unit in a minute, but now they got a big giant closet for the master bedroom. Nice new doors. Donna did an amazing job on these doors and hinges. We kept the original doorknobs because they're beautiful. We just cleaned them up and painted them. They're so pretty. Coming out of the master, here's the cute little linen closet with the original door, original doorknob, beautiful. Bathroom is here. I'll tour the bathroom in a sec. And then we have the cute phone nook that we kept because I love it. We got new flooring, new trim, new windows, new ceilings, new everything in here too. And this is where the old closet used to be, and we took that out, patched that wall up, so now it's just a normal wall, and we added a closet here, 4-foot closet, for the kids' room, or guest room. We have to put the closet doors on still, but we won't talk about that. Beautiful bright new windows. I love this room, it's so cozy.
And now onto the laundry room. This is before the colors were a little bit questionable. And this exterior door had to go. It was in the way. I needed the washer and dryer to go there. And we had to remove all this brick from the old exterior wall.
Okay, y'all remember this used to be the little back porch, and they had already closed it in for a laundry room, but it was a little bit cuckoo. So we got this nice new window. We got washer dryer hookups. Gotta do that in a sec. We got new ceiling, new light fixture. Much better than it was, I have to say. Rocky, you like the new bathroom? Ain't it pretty? New bathroom. Alright, we kept the window, we kept the trim. It's pretty. So we just frosted the window. We did some wallpaper. Shiplaped the ceilings. I have this light off because it's the fan light combo and it's kind of loud for the camera. So we got the Miracle Method people to spray the tile. It's cool. It's got like a rocky texture. Not too textured. It's still super easy to clean. but it looks so good. They refinished the original bathtub for us. It's beautiful, it's huge. New floors. Donna got the vents looking beautiful. She sprayed those brass. We got a new toilet, new fixtures, new shower head, this thingy, that thingy. Love the black. We got a new vanity, new mirror, new light fixture. Okay, for the living room, let me show you guys what we added. Kept the original door, I liked it. We got new windows, new floor, new fireplace. We added the lights on each side of the fireplace and the trim to make it a little fancier. Plug for the TV. And remember this doorway. Okay, don't look at this fridge. This is an extra fridge that we take around to all the jobs with us. This is our work fridge. Anyway, this had closet here where the fridge is, and then it had a little doorway down here. And we opened that doorway up. I'll move the fridge in a second, get you a better shot from the other way. There's the hallway. We put 2 of these pretty lights in the hallway. Love those. Super cute. They make this cool design on the ceiling. I think I'm gonna need some of those. This is a big living room. It's so nice. I love it. I will link the light fixtures in the description and the fireplace. We got it from Amazon. We got everything from Amazon. And then if you guys want to learn how to build this, we have that video showing how to build the bump out, how to build the mantle. Check it out. Next up is the kitchen. Are y'all ready? I forgot to show you guys, we did this sort of the same paneled look on the back wall of the living room because I felt like it needed something. So we did a wainscoting down here on this wall that carries through to the kitchen in the same look as the fireplace, just to give it a little extra something. Are y'all ready for the biggest transformation in the whole house? Okay, kitchen, here we go. We got a new kitchen door here. We carried the wainscoting from the living room all the way through into the kitchen. And we added the breakfast nook. Oh, the slider. Okay, the pocket door. Y'all remember the adventure we had with the pocket door in the trunk? And I beat it up, but I fixed it. We sanded it. I wanted to take it back to the natural wood, but I just decided to paint it black. But I kind of like it because faucet's black and I got black stuff here and there, so it's good. I like it. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, this is our $25 table that we got when we went out junking. I love the breakfast nook. We were gonna do a built-in But I found this just scrolling through Amazon. I loved it. I thought it looked really cute with the new tile for the backsplash. And I thought, well, it's a little bit expensive, but by the time we buy material and by the time we have labor and building the nook in the corner, it's gonna cost more to build one. So, look, love it, so cute. New window. We left the plug here for chargers. I forgot to unplug that. This is through to the laundry room. So what do we do here? Okay, the door was down here, that's right. This door to the laundry room was down here, which didn't give us enough room to put a nook. So we moved it down a little. We got this cute new light fixture over the table. They're so cute. Look, they're little flowers. I don't know if y'all can see that. I might have to turn them off. From Amazon, I'll link those. And then I just did a single one over the sink over here. Same bead light in the center, and we added some cans up here because it needed lighting so bad. And remember how the original kitchen was down on this end, and it was super cramped and tight right here when you walk into the kitchen. So we moved the whole kitchen down to this end. Makes so much more sense. We have new cabinets, new appliances. There's the little single light fixture. This was the window that we shortened because before it was long and it would have went down behind the cabinets, so we put a new window there. Stove, microwave, and then here, this is where y'all saw the coffee bar. Here's the coffee bar with a TV. How cool is that? And it's on the mount thingy where you can pull it out and move it all around. Okay, this was the doorway that we changed because it was down there where the fridge is sitting, but I had to put the fridge there. So we pulled the doorway down this way, took out the closet that was here so we could put the doorway here. See that nice big, look at that old fridge, it's gotta go. You got that nice big doorway now for the living room. Opened it up so much. And then you got the new doorway going into the kitchen now. Cute, cute, cute. Rocky loves the breakfast nook. Rocky, you waiting on some bacon? Okay, there it is. The guys are still outside doing a little bit of work to the porch and to the garage. So we will have the outside tour coming up in a couple days. We just did a quick little review on our intro, and Donna said I look wore out and tired. We are wore out and tired. We're at the end.
She's killing me, y'all.
That's how it goes. We got paint in our hair, we're sweaty, we ain't got no makeup on. It's too dang hot. These dogs are killing us.
I've seen better days.
No, she looks beautiful, but I look like, ew. Okay, that was the tour, inside tour. I hope you guys liked it. Come back and watch the outside tour in a few days. I'll have that up when we get done. We're so close. Y'all remember to be good and do good. We love y'all. See you next time. Bye.